did. What about you hit them or something? Then will they bite you?
No, don't worry. We're not going near the bears.
They probably sleep beside you, Theo.
Don't say
Just
You're
kidding.
gonna make me have a nightmare.
You're going to sleep beside Daddy, and you're hugging Daddy. And you thought it's Daddy, it's the bear. Bella, where are you? You're going to camping? Yeah?
Mom, look under there. Look under there.
Oh, there's a washroom there.
Hey,
Nice.
look under there.
Underwear. What? Why are you laughing?
You said underwear.
Oh. Underwear or under there?
Underwear.
Underwear? Underwear. Sing the dance, Bella. Bella, sing the dance. Dance in my hands.
Where's Gavin? Where's Gavin? Where's Gavin?
It's right there.
What do you mean?
We have to look in our tent. Daddy has the map. Good job, Bella.
Is it a boy or a girl?
What? The bear? I don't know if maybe it's a
Is it
boy.
a boy or a girl?
Maybe it's a boy.
Not the bear. Like, is it the guy that said there's bears around?
Oh,
there's a guy.
Daddy said it's a guy. Look at the washroom there. Oh, there's another.
In the washroom. It says
Oh, that's cool.
I need to go.
Oh no.
What? Berries. What?
We missed the turn somehow.
Uh-oh, you missed the turn. Good job,
I thought we
Bella.
normally camp in grass.
Yay, good singer. Oh no, it's raining.
What is this? What website is this? N16?
What is N16 this one? Are we N16? Good singer, Bella.
This is soil. This is soil. This is soil.
Careful. You hear? This one?
Who's that?
I don't know. It's people camping here.